Hello everyone, in this simple video I will show you how to turn on the night mode on your Google Chat. So if you are bored with the screen mode like this, you can change to dark mode, but if you are the iOS users, you cannot find the option to change to dark mode here. But don't worry, you can change the dark mode in phone settings. Go to phone settings and select the display and brightness. So just select dark mode here. Alright, so go back, select Google Chat. Here we go. The dark mode has been applied to Google Chat. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.